Hello and welcome to Callisto's live YouTube channel. Before we get started on some analysis today, links are below to all my socials. If you like the content on YouTube, like and please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any other ideas of content that you'd like to see, then let me know in the comments. Twitch is where I live stream Monday to Friday, 1 hour before New York Open. So definitely go click the follow over on Twitch, and it will notify you when I go live, so you won't miss out any of these live streams of me trading. We have lots of different people coming through: beginners, experienced traders, swing traders, scalp traders, and everyone comes through and chills, hangs out. And the Twitter and TikTok is where I post some analysis as well. Twitter is where I'll say, post when I'm going live. It's probably the best way to get in contact with me. So yeah, those are the links. Go spam them up. I appreciate all the support. Looking into today, I am mainly focused on sales here on GJ, so below 169337. Price could come and spike into this resistance again, up at 170406, and I'll be waiting to see if that resistance holds. If we do break above here, that could be an indication that price is going to continue up, and then I would be looking for buys then above 170871. For potential then, continuation of this overall bigger move that's going up. But currently, we are in a downtrend. We are respecting highs, breaking lows, things like that. So yeah, focus on sales here on GJ1 below 169337. So I will be looking for a closure below this level in order for me to take sales. And then there's like a decent 50 or so pip gap down until this next level down here, right there, like that. So that will be what I am going to be focusing on today. So what time are we? So it's 4 o'clock. This is coming into pre London volume now, and have a look at the 4 hour candles, how they're forming. So currently today, the 4 hour candles, we've had the daily opened, came up, made a 20 pip top wick for the daily candle, and then started dropping. We have broke previous daily lows currently. Previous daily lows coming in right here. So we have broke them. We just go like this daily. We have broke previous daily lows. And now we're pulling back to potentially continue bearish at some point. So yeah, these 4 hour candles, right? So we've got, I don't use Fibonacci, but if we look at the Fibonacci from this 4 hour high to the 4 hour low, we have created that kind of pullback into this retracement zone. So this 4 hour candle now, this next 4 hour candle has just opened. So we are 20 minutes into this new 4 hour candle. So this could potentially going to create like a top wick here somewhere, and then we could see that drive to the downside coming in as we get towards pre-London and London Open. So yeah, that's that on GJ. Looking at sales below 169337. Looking at Euro USD. Same kind of deal. If we take a look at yesterday's candle, so this is yesterday's daily candle right here on the 30-minute time frame. So we've got the we came up and made highs, but we didn't break previous daily highs, right? So previous daily highs were up here. We made a lower high, and then we came down and made a lower low, broke the low. So respected previous daily highs and broke previous daily lows. So then today we have daily lows right here, right? And we have daily highs. So the way it's forming currently, the way I'll be looking at it is today so far, the price has opened up. It's made a pullback. It's made a 25 pip top wick, and now it's looking like it wants to come down. So I think we do have a nice support right here. That if we get a closure below, we can look at sales to continue down and break this previous daily low, continue bearish. So that would be sales below 0.98702 is where I'd be looking for a closure below in sales, for then it to continue down and break break this daily low and continue bearish, I would say. We do have some news. What did that say? ADP employment change, Fed interest rate change, and Fed conference. So this is pretty intense, high impact news, which will be coming later on tonight, 5 a.m. tomorrow morning for me, 6 a.m. So I'm not too worried about that for today's trading session. So yeah, previous daily highs up here. Obviously, this is a very long way to go, like 60 or so pips. But if price did come up here, then potential buys above that could be possible. But mainly focusing on, you know, sales here below 0.98702 and then 0.98580 would probably be safer sales for closures below here. So yeah, so looking at sales both on EU and GJ for today so far, and like I said, I will be live tonight on Twitch, and obviously my bias at that point could have changed, so definitely come and check out the stream, see what analysis I am looking at going over and where we are at with that. So yeah, I think that is about it. So sales on EU below 0.98702, and then sales below 169337 on GJ to continue bearish at this point. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in tomorrow's video, or I will see you tonight during the stream. But yeah, peace out.